What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. If you want to dress up your iPhone 11 in some nice style, you might want to check this out. Yeah, I ordered one of these cases from Diaclara, and unfortunately I got it in the 6.1, but I was so impressed with it, I was like, you know what? I'm going to correct my mistake and get it for the 6.5, and here it is. I expect it to be pretty similar, and it looks pretty nice here. So what we have is like a vintage, almost distressed like leather. I love it. It's kind of like a natural, I don't know, raw hide. I love the imperfection and kind of that, you know, rich, luxurious smoking room armchair leather look on it. It's very textured. And then this plastic case here, which is like a soft-ish, has a, you know, a gunmetal paint to it. Looks great. But then they've taken the sides here and put on strips of leather on the top and the sides as well, and it just kind of rounds it out. Gives it a little bit of a nice metal look. You know, it doesn't make it totally look like a smoking jacket, but it gives it a little bit of like a high-tech look, which is kind of nice. So we have cutouts molded in buttons. You can see this gunmetal rim around the camera housing, and then we have cutouts for the speaker and the microphone. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw this sucker in here, and it goes in very, very easily because it's nice and soft. But man, look at that. I think that is great looking and fits the camera housing perfectly. You can see they're just a little bit lower than the case, so you get nice protection. Does the power button work? No problems there. You can see we have perfect cutouts for all of the speakers and everything, power and volume, right? I like it. Man, that's great. And it fills out the phone just a little bit, but man, look at that color. I love that. That looks great. I think I'll probably use this for a while. I would say, I don't know. It didn't have like any reviews on Amazon, so I was a little worried about it, but this is a pretty underrated case. Link is in the description below. You can pick it up for cheap and get it shipped quick. Peter von Panda, out.